So today I'm surprising my friend Emma with a trip to Devil's Den.
Oh wait, that's so cool. Wait, that's so exciting.
Hey everyone, my name's Cully. Welcome back to another YouTube video where my life goal is to spread speechless moments to others. What's up guys? Welcome to Speechless by Cully, and today we are going to Devil's Den. We are so excited! Ah! Got everything packed. Now we're just eating breakfast.
Everything was handmade, hand-picked, hand-grown.
We're about to leave. Everyone's so excited. We're just like, yeah!
You're gonna hate yourself later for that?
It is about an hour and a half drive there, so we're gonna be in the car for a bit.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. You begged to drive with me. I even said there was no room and you said, yes there is. Our car's full.
No, it's not.
Yeah, we have Emma and Caleb riding. I'm riding with you.
Be in here.
Like, we're still at the house. You can still ride with mom and dad. I have a question. Who has been to an underground cave?
Never.
Never? Never. Oh my gosh. Me, baby.
No admission. Reservation.
Yeah, what's on They have a nice little entrance, a little tiki guy. It's actually pretty. Oh, no drones on property. Within
so
5 minutes of being here, I got in trouble flying the drone, and
yeah, we'll figure it out.
I hope we don't have to wait for like a while.
Go ahead and try this. Tank 42 and 17. There's a lot of tanks going out. Remember those numbers, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
As we get dressed, we decide on what we're gonna do, and we end up deciding that we're gonna go to the top of the hole to see where the cave's sunken at, and then we're gonna go to the bottom where we can go snorkeling and scuba diving.
God, I would love to jump.
I wonder if anyone's ever tried that, just to jump down.
I'm just snapping right now. I'm trying to find the angle.
Let's just live around.
Oh my god. This place is so cool. It's a really cool cave.
Oh, this is so cool. I was getting settled. Oh, it gets cold right there.
Oh,
How was it, Cully?
it was so cool. Much smaller up here.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cool like little caves like you can go in. You got to like go inside of all of them. It's really cool. How was it, everyone?
Amazing.
Great.
Great. Yep.
Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm actually going to start coming out with videos every Sunday and Wednesday, so keep an eye out for that.